freaking bad. Hello guys, we're at the temple right now in Leverett. It's my dad. Here we are at the temple. So, here we are. Pretty cool. This is the temple. Pretty big. At the moment, I see people giving rice bowl in the bowl, putting rice in the bowls for the monks. So, in a moment, I'll do it later once my dad is. Right now, he's kind of busy right now. What's that? So, he likes to take pictures. Oh, set? Right? Yeah, make sure. Yeah, keep it. Yeah, make sure it stays. Don't rotate it.
Mấy bọn sợ nó gặp bạn trời. Bài ấy, ôn sray à? Chân ruộng mình. Ôn sray này.
Cho nó mày phải mày.
Mày. Dạ. Này. Sắp bài. Nó sắp bài đó, đã lôi tiền. Ai? Ra ba lôi tiền. Ai? Hả? Ở đây cô ôi thì trong cho xa khu đâu. Cháu trong xa khu. Trong chuyện. Hai ớt này. Mày cho cái bánh này. Thank you. Abi. Trong ly mình chặt thầy ơi. Chặt nó, đặt ba đưa xong mình được chặt. Hai con. Ôi, anh Minh. Hai ơi, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Cha. I keep asking Mom. Mai
Oh, you put in the. Nice. I see that charger. That's the issue. Sugalini, welcome on in. Hope you're doing well. Appreciate you joining in. I'm gonna sit here. There's some chairs over here. So you guys can at least see the temple. So I don't want to get out of the area. so I don't want to go out of range, otherwise the stream will F and like lag, you know. So once again, this is the temple, and then yeah, you saw me putting rice in the bowls for the monks, and donating as well, tips. You can see there's my dad. So I have my dad hold the camera for me. So that was my dad behind the camera. You can see there he is once again. So yeah, this might be probably a long stream, maybe. So shit. So if we stream long enough, we could raid Evrim, or either raid Evrim or he could raid into us, maybe. So that's the plan. Right now, I'm currently charging my phone right now. So, Conspiracy Guru, welcome in. Hope you're doing well. So at the moment, it's like it's been like off charging for like some time now because I was watching another stream. So, and yeah, it was like 10% battery left. And asked my dad to get a charger so that way I can start the stream. So that way when it's charging, I don't have to worry about like the battery getting drained. So. And right now I'm using my selfie stick right now. What's nice about the selfie stick is it can also be a tripod as well. So with the stand, it has legs, so that way maybe at some point, who knows, I could use it to like stand it on somewhere, maybe. Show you guys like a more stable view of like certain things. So that way you don't have to worry about the camera being shaky. So, last time I streamed at the temple in Lowell, I didn't have a tripod, so I held the phone in my hands. So that's why my hands were all shaky. That's why the stream was kind of shaky at times. But now now that I got my tripod / selfie stick, now I'm in full control. So now everything is like moving smoothly. Oh, I see 14 FPS right now. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't like drop too much, too low. So right now 11. It was like 10, 11 FPS like last time I streamed. But yeah, I try to be careful not to go out of range, out of the area. So I try to stay like within this area is better internet. Hopefully one day when I get like a SIM card, like last time, like this past Christmas, I got me a new Netgear router, so I could like try to see if I can travel IRL without worrying about disconnections. So that way I can have better stable internet wherever I go. Doesn't matter where I go, whether it be like in the middle of nowhere, or if there's anywhere that has no signal, I could use that Netgear. So at the moment I don't have a SIM card to go with that Netgear, so it needs a SIM card in order for it to work. But yeah, for now I'm just streaming normally. So how's your day going, guys? Happy weekend, happy Saturday. Any plans for this weekend? Anything going on? Just chilling at home. Got any dinner plans or whatever? Appreciate everybody for joining in, guys. Just came here just to pop in, say a couple messages, and then head off. Or lurkers are always welcome here as always, so you don't always have to stick around too long. I totally understand. I don't really say much in like chat, other streams either. So I'm pretty much the same as well. I already smell chicken wings. Good morning, guys. Wherever it is, where you are. Could be afternoon, could be nighttime, evening time, wherever you are. Happy time zone. So, at the moment, it's 10 a.m. in the morning. So I'm in Massachusetts, Eastern Standard Time. So usually I don't go on this early. For anything, but just thought I'd do like a morning stream, just to chill out, just to talk to you guys. Listen to those birds chirping. You hear the chanting going on. So
Anh vô chút này, dùng hộp bát, ai hộp bát nữa.
You see it there. See all these decorations here. Pretty nice. Very organized as well. You can also see there's like a statue right there. Shit. Here you don't want to, careful not to rotate the phone, otherwise it'll mess up the chat overlays. So, mess up all the overlays. Alright, so you can see, I'm just giving a little quick tour so you can see this is the statue, one of the statues. So nice structure. A lot of gold. Pretty nice. So there's also a garden right there. A lot of flowers. There's some purple, some white, some yellow flowers.
Come here, Matt. Did you do this yet? Did you make the offer?
No, put over there. You want to go over there? On the top?
Sit right in here.
Oh, you do?
Sit parking lot.
Go!
I'm gonna show you guys inside now. Yeah, I'll show you. You wanna say hi?
Hi, how you doing?
Well,
Happy New Year.
yep, my dad. So yep, say Happy New Year. So how's it going? Are you having fun here so
Yes,
far?
good. Yeah, nice today. Gonna be 80, so it's
Yeah.
gonna be good.
So what's the plan for today, Pa?
Today, what we do is just put rice in a bowl there. Yeah, some money,
Yeah.
donation.
I'm gonna go inside to. I'm gonna go inside, show chat around.
Huh?
I'm gonna go inside, show chat around
Yeah, go
inside.
ahead. You got what people around you. Okay?
Of course.
Step on people.
Yeah. Yeah, more people coming in now. A little bit of a close-up of the statue right there. See all those lights. Yeah, apparently when I zoom in, the frames drop even more. It's a little bit worse when I'm trying to zoom in, zoom out. By the way, guys, I can't tell from your guys' end, but I don't know if I was muted the whole time, or if you guys can hear me. I don't know. Right there. So according to me, yeah, it says yeah, the mic is on. So. I turn it on and off. So I can't tell if you guys can hear me or not. Last time I streamed, the mic has been muted for like 10-15 minutes by accident. Double told me that I was muted the whole time. What? What? Yeah. សង្គមគ្រួសារកូនចៅទាំងអស់សូមកត់ទៅសុខចម្រើនគ្រប់គ្នាជាពិសេសយមទុកទាំងឡាយគុណការ If mods are here, people who are here, if Steven was here, she would take care of that.
មាននាំប្រាថ្នាយ៉ាងណាទៀតនោះក៏សូមឲ្យបានសម្រាប់សូមតាមប្រាថ្នាកុំបីអញ្ចឹងឡើយសូមអនុមោទនា นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะอนิจจาวัฏสังขาราหุปะโตยะธัมมิโนหุปะเจตวะนิรัจจตเตสังวะปัสสมาสกะจิระวัตยังกายปัทเวหติเสนโจทอเปตเวเกียนาเนรัตถวะกลังกระอายุวัตกาธนวัตกาสเรวัตกายสวัตกาปลวัตกาวันวัตกาสภวัตกาอัตสัพพเตียตังกะรังกัปเยเวเรียสังกาสันตจปัตตเวียหเนกาอันตรายาปิวิเนสันตจตัยจะสายจะยสาติกนังเลียเพียงสาติเพียงยังสำคัญพลังเสรีอายจะวันนาจะเป่าเพียงมอนติจะสวาสัตวาสาจะอายุจะจีวสันติภวันตเต
Sape lokon to mama ceta zate. Yeah, not that much is going on here. Just people talking, chatting, and things. I'm just resting a bit. Tired. I slept so little late at night. So. I couldn't sleep much. Snowy City, welcome in. Hey Chan just reported the bot. Nice, thanks Snowy. Appreciate it. Don't worry, Snowy. I'll mod you one day, and you can do the work. I'll have you banned before no problem. One of these days. But welcome in, Snowy. Hope you're doing well. Happy Cambodian New Year. We're just at the temple in the mountains, Leverett. Just did some chanting, and now we're just talking. Everybody's just talking and just chilling here. Oh, thank you. Right, Snowy. Thanks. I mean, if you want to, Snowy, but it's up to you. I mean, just saying, because you said you told me that you prefer the bot, and I don't mind. Cool. Yep. We're just gonna stay here just to chill, and I'm just gonna rest a bit. We're all here to help each other out. Yep. True, Snowy, thanks. Appreciate it.
Nhung trên một mấy trên bên em hay nhung trên trên trong bên em. Hôm nay cô bạn ấy mà đặt cho nơi chân sông nhung o tặng chặt ngọc nia là vậy được so không bằng đại nhungเป็นนองการนี้เราการบันเกิดนำในไปในกรณีในสมกษาđại nhungเป็นนองการในสมใจจุลนุญญคันประกาศได้จันทร์อนิจโยอ๋อในบ้านใจทำตัวเองนำสังสารวัตรสมโนอนุโมทนีมันก็สอนนิสมาสมาทนีสบายประสบสันติกัดการพอใจยังประยุกต์ใช้ตัวเจ้าตัวน้องสมกับสุขมรันเกี่ยวเส้นจนตุกพอตัวลายมันงานตัวอายุคนนักศึกษาหลักหลักเป็นเด็กนักมาเบี้ยยมตัวมีตัวเจ้ามีมาปรารถนาญาณติดน้องประสมบันสบายสมตองมาปรารถนาตัวการขันละสมอนุโมทนีนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ
So Frank, can you teach us a little bit about Cambodian calendar? Is it similar to any others? Well, I mean, Cambodian calendar, I think it's the same like Thai calendar, kind of similar, but we still use the normal normal year. We still use the current year, whereas Thailand they use the Thai year. So right now it's like 25, 60 something, 25, 65 or something. I don't know what the year is. I don't really have that much knowledge on Cambodian culture that much. I like the calendar system works. Interesting, I had no idea. Yep. I'm sure you guys can hear me through the microphone. So there's the monks chanting. They're using like a microphone, so it's kind of louder than me talking. So I'm trying to talk as close to the cameras as possible.
សូមចេញយកក្នុងមកដើម្បីថ្វាយបង្គំនៅព្រះរតនត្រ័យទាំងអស់គ្នាបងជាងសូមញាតិញោមខាងក្រៅសូមចេញយកក្នុងទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីនមស្ការថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះរតនត្រ័យបងសូមអរគុណញោម សូមអញ្ជើញញាតិញោមពុទ្ធបរិស័ទទាំងអស់សូមអញ្ជើញអង្គុយជាជួរទៅបែបមុខទៅពុទ្ធបដិមាបែបទៅព្រះដើម្បីធ្វើកិច្ចនមស្ការថ្វាយបង្គំដល់ព្រះរតនត្រ័យហើយនឹងបន្ទាប់ថ្វាយបង្គំហើយយើងសមាធិសិលវេចង្ហាន់គេដល់ប្រសង់របស់គ្នាបងចឹងសូមអញ្ជើញញាតិញោមនៅខាងក្រៅក្តីនៅAudio is fine, nice for letting me know that. ព្រះវិហារដើម្បីធ្វើបទនមស្ការថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះបងហើយញោមចូលមកមុខអស់ហ្នឹងហើយគឺចិត្តមកមុខនោះក៏ដើម្បីរៀបចំអេរិយាប័ត្រដើម្បីថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះបងហើយញោមចា3នាក់រួចដែរញោមផុនញោមឈុននីនិងញោមតេងហើយដែរក៏អត់អីនឹងកាត់មកហើយក៏លើកាត់អីហ្នឹងហើយបើថាកាត់មិនដឹងហើយទៅកាត់ឲ្យហើយសិនដើម្បីនៅញាតិញោមយើងពីខាងក្រោមហើយទៅនេះមកជុំគ្នាដើម្បីនមស្ការថ្វាយបង្គំព្រះក៏ហើយញោមបាសកានឹងឲ្យសូត្រធ្វើឲ្យស្រស់គ្នាឲ្យប្រមគ្នាឲ្យពីរោះ
សូមបងប្អូនស្ងាត់ទៅបានគេចាប់តាមពីការពុករតនត្រ័យមកនេះកាយវត្តនីកាយវត្តនីកាយវត្តនីពីមេពីបតុបាពីសាកាយនិពតយ៉ាងធម្មសង្ឃាពីគយវិមានតាប្រេតាទេនាងគុណវន្តាអញ្ញមៃចតិរាតាំអាថាយអេតាយសរាយសូមកាត់មកលណាសូមអូជានៅព្រះពុទ្ធព្រះសង្ឃជាវិញ្ញាណដោយគ្រឿងសក្ការៈទាំងឡាយមានទានទុជាដើមនៃដើម្បីដើម្បីជាប្រយោជន៍ដើម្បីសេចក្តីសំដំណាក់ដំមានគុណទាំងឡាយមានមេត្តាបិតាជាដើមផងដល់ខ្ញុំបកោណាផងមកការជាអង្គវែងទៅមកយមោតាស្មភៈរិយតោអរហតោសម្មាសម្ពុទ្ធស្សៈនមោតាស្សៈ นะโมตัสสะภิกขุเวโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภิกขุเวโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภิกขุเวโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภิกขุเวโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ พุทธังสักขะนังเกจหามิพุทธ ะสาธุคอนเตไสรวันเตาทิมานิอาจานิยะ
ฮาดาเนีย
โพธินิเวตินิ
โพจินิเยตินิ
ปดัตตอนหันโต
เอกกันหันโต
อัมหาตัง
อามากัน
ทิคารตัง
อิกรัตัง
อาทายะ
อัตถายะ
เทตายะ
เอตายะ
สุขายะ
สุขายะ
ขอพัฒนาต่อจำลองหน่อย
การนาจำลา
ยืนยงจังลาย
ยามทั้งหลาย
บางตักไต
บานตักไต
เลิกขาจันยะ
เลิกขาแก่นิยะ
ยันโพธิวิหา
โพจินิยะ
หรือต่อไปมันยงอา
ตุกานิติอา
เยตามเน
เยตานิ
ไอ้มังอ่อนจอมรอเวรรอปกตักนาทุกองค์
อายุโจเทตกานาคุอัง
ทรงกานาทุกองค์ต่อตัวโย
สมกานาคุอังสุตุโย
ตามไปที่กระไดจำราน
ไว้สิ่งใดจงมา
ตามไปเทียบกับยาว
ไปเที่ยวเรือ
ต่อลูกงานนำเรียนคนทั้งหลาย
เรียนทุกอย่างลาย
เรียนตามไปตาจะตามพอง
เที่ยวเวลาเวลาพอ
ต่อช่องกาลนาทั้งหลายพอง
เอาอยู่ยังรานาเวลาพอ
ออกกาที่เอาไว้ระวังออกไปรับปีดอกพองออกไปรับไปดอกพองอันโมทนี
เริ่ม
โมทนีอันโมทนี
อายุตักปากทางเราหายเราโยบาทหมอกเก่งหายฟังไอ้เจอยมจ้าไอ้เนี่ยลานหมอกเก่งสั่งเก่งจิงหันก็ลานเก่งจิงหันพอยังยมจริงลานหมอกขโมยแหนมันยมจริงลานมันนั่นจ้ะไอ้nhậnยมลงข้างกระเราน้องส้มใจเลิกตายทำนองจังยมไอ้nhậnยมลงข้างน้องส้มใจลานหมอกกันเลยจังยมไว้ที่เกียรตินั่นก็ยังไม่หมอกกันเลยจังน้องไว้ที่เกียรตินั่นก็ไม่
It's a bit chilly here, a little bit. Peekaboo, welcome in. Thanks for the hug. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining. Yeah, we're at the temple right now. Once again, in the mountains, Leveret. So we just did some chanting. Now everybody's we got a whole crowd of people here. So we got a lot of people.
còn nhân song an mô tani
Here in
អសូម
Philippines.
ចេញមកខាត់មុខតិចមកខ្ញុំបើទៀតខាងក្រោយខ្ញុំចេញមកខាត់មុខតិចដល់ខ្ញុំអត់ស្លាប់ហ្នឹងហើ
A
យ
few people are leaving now. Peekaboo, there was a bot earlier. If you could delete it, or if it's still in chat, feel free to get rid of it, delete it, ban it, or whatever. If you see it, just got here. Somebody blocking.
còn trên cơ sở nhận nhập được o như xem scan phân tích và xem phân tích đi chúng ta nhận dùng không là các một cái đi ở miền đồng lái còn một công ty bằng so của một cái đi chúng ta xong xem phân tích từ đây nhìn qua ở miền sông là nhìn kia nó em tích nhau bằng đi sông ngăn tích sừng sông ngăn tất đắp đi làm nhiều mình tích sừng còn nó sông ngăn tích được nhanh thì càng nhiều năm cây s랑 nhiều thì còn làm chia sài những tích bài này còn năng chất nông của các hiện đại chiến ngay ngồi và còn đòi năng khát rộng của bò số sợi mông con và sọc tập ca từng con nhịp nhôm tập o đây chỉ là nền kia chỉ là lá một vùng bênh bằng cơ so như một từ vùng sao Paramason Samadhi địa ca bằng đôi năm thuê và phải để ngày dùng đi để cho nên hơi và tha dương kia mai học nia mình tha nô tì nà tế về đo băng và một bên đây sắp đặt ngày dương còn tay tại một buồn nia tầng tôn trao một thiên o đầm bay một tì hoạt ram chung kia nô tì ní đầm bay có sang nô tì son sinh hong đầm bay chụp chung nia sinh nào rồi viên nia phong rồi tha dương nô tì ní sắp tay trên naประกอบการងារ បរិយារៀងខ្លួនជាងកម្រងមានពេលណាស់ដើម្បីជួបគ្នាយើងតតែមានកម្មវិធីបន់ផ្សេងទៅមកជួបជុំគ្នាម្ដងដូច្នេះក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះក៏ជាថ្ងៃមួយដ៏ល្អដែរដែលបានញាតិញោមទាំងអស់លាក់កាប់នៅពេលវេលាដ៏មានតម្លៃមករួមប្រស្រ័យក្នុងការបំពេញបុណ្យកុសលផងចូលរួមរក្សានៅប្រពៃណីទំនៀមទម្លាប់របស់ខ្មែរយើងផងដែលជាអ្នកកាន់ពុទ្ធសាសនាដូច្នេះក្នុងឱកាសនេះព្រះយើងជាអ្នកកាន់ពុទ្ធសាសនាផងរួមជាមួយនឹងប្រពៃណីយើងក៏បានប្រពនៅកម្មវិធីមួយដែលយើងហៅថាបន់ជួយឆ្នាំក៏បន់ជួយឆ្នាំដូច្នេះយើងក៏មានទំនៀមទម្លាប់តាំងពីបុរាណកាលមកហើយក៏ប្រកការធ្វើបន់ជួយឆ្នាំរបស់ខ្មែរយើងនេះគឺដើម្បីកម្ចាត់បងបំណងសេចក្តីអាក្រក់ទាំងឡាយដែលយើងបានធ្វើនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំចាស់ពេលដល់ចូលឆ្នាំថ្មីក៏យើងបំពេញនៅការងារថ្មីហើយប្រព្រឹត្តនៅអំពើល្អផ្សេងបើប្រថាចូលឆ្នាំចាស់យើងក៏បានប្រព្រឹត្តនៅអំពើអាក្រក់ណានេះមួយប្រព្រឹត្តដោយកាយកម្មក្តីវិច័យកម្មក្តីមនោកម្មក្តីក៏យើងបានប្រព្រឹត្តរួចទៅហើយដូច្នេះហើយយើងត្រូវតែប្រមូលចិត្តប្រមូលអារម្មណ៍តាំងចិត្តតាំងអារម្មណ៍ល្អដើម្បីប្រព្រឹត្តនៅអំពើល្អចាប់ពីថ្ងៃចូលឆ្នាំថ្មីនេះតរៀងទៅដូច្នេះទៅក្នុងប្រពៃណីខ្មែរយើងគឺនិយាយអំពីរឿងធម្មបាលកុមារហើយនឹងក្បួនមហាព្រហ្មដែលជាអ្នកដោះស្រាយនៅបញ្ហាក៏ដាក់ដោះស្រាយបញ្ហាគ្នាទៅវិញទៅមកហើយក៏ដាក់ដល់ជីវិតទៀតបើសិនជាក្បួនមហាព្រហ្មដាក់ប្រាថ្នាទៅធម្មបាលកុមារប្រសិនជាធម្មបាលកុមារដោះស្រាយមិនចេញទេគឺត្រូវកាត់ក្បាលក៏អាស្រ័យនឹងការផ្នល់ក៏តែបើសិនជាធម្មបាលកុមារដោះស្រាយចេញគឺព្រមកបិលមហាព្រហ្មនឹងកាត់សេរីសាវិញដូច្នេះក្នុងឱកាសនោះដែរព្រមហៅថាកបិលមហាព្រហ្មនោះក៏បានដាក់នៅសំណួរ3ដល់ធម្មបាលកុមារពោលសំណួរទី1បានសួរថាតើពេលព្រឹកសេរីរបស់មនុស្សស្ថិតនៅទីណា
Oh, you don't see it now? All right.
ពេលថ្ងៃត្រង់សេរីរបស់មនុស្សស្ថិតនៅទីណាពេលងាយសួរថាតើសេរីរបស់មនុស្សស្ថិតនៅទីណាពេលនោះធម្មបាលកុមារក៏បានទទួលការឆ្លើយតបប៉ុន្តែដោយអាស្រ័យធម្មបាលកុមារមិនយល់មិនដឹងនៅចម្លើយរបស់នោះក៏បានចូលទៅក្នុងព្រៃជប់សត្វអន្ត្រីបានឆ្លើយនៅសំណួរនោះ នេះនិយាយកាត់ចឹងហើយមិននឹងអាត្មាឆ្លើយក៏សូមសួរញាតិញោមទាំងអស់សឹមសួរថាចោះពេលព្រឹកសេរីរបស់មនុស្សថានៅទីណាខ្ញុំបានឆ្លើយជាមួយនឹងកបិលមហាព្រំប្រហែលជាញាតិញោមក៏បានឮយូរច្រើនមកហើយដែរយើងស្មាររំលឹកឡើងវិញប៉ុន្តែមិននឹងរំលឹកគឺស្មារសួរញាតិញោមទេមិនមានថារំលឹកខ្លួនឯងទេគឺសួរញាតិញោមចង់សួរថាញាតិញោមណាខ្លះដែលមិនចាំតើពេលព្រឹកសេរីរបស់មនុស្សស្ថិតនៅទីណាខ្ញុំណាឆ្លើយបានសូមលើកដៃនៅលើមុខខាងក្នុងទីនេះមុខក្នុងទីនេះសំដៅទៅលើមាត់យើងព្រោះមុខមិនមានបញ្ហាទេមុខស្អាតជាងតែស្អាតអញ្ចឹងមុខមិនអត់ទេប៉ុន្តែបើមុខស្អាតសម្ដីអាក្រក់វិញស្អាតអត់ទេហើយបើមុខស្អាតល្អហើយសម្ដីនិយាយចេញទៅសត្វពាក្យមិនល្អជេរគេមានណាគេចាត់យើងអត់ហ្នឹងហើយទៅបីជាយើងស្អាតប៉ុណ្ណាក៏ដោយប៉ុន្តែបើមាត់លប៉ាល់លពោចនិយាយគេទៅដល់គេនិយាយដល់គេអត់មានណាចូលចិត្តទេនៅតែពីរដងគេរត់ចោលយើងបាត់ហើយគេរត់ចោលហើយជើងហើយសេរីនៅនឹងមុខហ្នឹងគឺនៅស្ថិតនៅលើមាត់យើងនេះឯងពេលណាដែលយើងនិយាយពាក្យល្អពាក្យពីរោះដល់នៅសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់ដល់គ្នានឹងគ្នាអនុសរដល់គ្នានឹងគ្នាគេតែងតែរាប់អានហើយគេតែងរាប់អានតែបើយើងប៉ះជេរប៉ះខឹងប៉ះមួម៉ៅនិយាយដើមបង្កាច់បង្ខូចនិយាយពាក្យមិនពិតតើថ្ងៃក្រោយមានណាគេរាប់អានយើងអត់បើសិនគេដឹងហើយមានណាគេរាប់អានយើងទេអត់ទេគេមិនរាប់អានយើងទេយើងហើយទៅទី1ពេលព្រឹកសេរីនៅនឹងមុខចុះពេលថ្ងៃត្រង់សេរីនៅទីណាថ្ងៃត្រង់សេរីនៅដើមទ្រូង
I'm gonna show you guys downstairs.
ត្រង់ដើមទ្រូងយើងមានស្អីនៅខាងក្នុងនៅខាងដើមទ្រូងយើងគឺមានបេះដូងនៅខាងក្នុងអញ្ចឹងហើយបើសិនជាយើងអស់គ្នាមានបេះដូងល្អមានបេះដូងអាក្រក់មានបេះដូងមួម៉ៅក្តៅក្រហាយតើមាននរណានៅជាមួយយើងកើតទេមានទេយើងមាននរណានៅជាមួយយើងកើតទេបើសិនយើងបេះដូងអាក្រក់ហ្នឹងហើយបើលោកមានបេះដូងអាក្រក់មានណាអូអត់ទេហ្នឹងហើយ